Hey guys, welcome to Creative Soft, and this is my sort of unboxing of the Verve Buds 110 by Motorola. These are TWS headphones, one of the best in its class, and this is maybe available for around 2000 to 3000 on Flipkart and Amazon. So price here is around 6000, but definitely you'll be getting it for a lesser price. And let's check out what else is there. These are like one of those tiniest headphones. There's a nice magnetic lid when you just open it, and it's so satisfying, just to open this particular box. It's nice cover, and the thing is, you get extremely very tiny little headphones with this. This is how you set up and add all your apps and all. And let me just remove this. These are tiny little headphones which goes inside your ears. These are like the one of the best fitting earphones what I have seen by Motorola. So this contains all these touch gestures. So if you just like press it, let me just get the case out. This is nice. Wow, it is magnetic and a bit satisfying. So this goes inside this particular charging case, okay, like this, and it will charge your headphones to and you can use it for about 4 hours. The total charge capacity for the headphones is around 4 hours. Let's see what you get, what else you get in the box. And they still bundle the micro USB, which is a bit disappointing. In at least in 2020 they should have come with a type C. And then you get these particular leaflets and books. I don't know what, I mean, who actually read them. So let's keep this aside and let's get started with our case. And it's nice satisfying magnetic lid, and it will charge, as I said, in very short time. Let me just pair it. For pairing, I guess you need to use it. I mean, you need to open the lid and use the headphones. And let's see if I can pair with my Motorola to this Motorola. I had almost this phone for about 3 years. I'm not able to pair it, so I think you need to remove this and pair. So if you like this particular video, guys, hit that particular like button and subscribe to my channel. And one more thing what I noticed is there are four little LEDs which shows you the 25 to 100% of charging. So again, share it with all your friends. This is how you pair, guys. So you need to, there is a sensor over here, you just need to keep it tapped, and this is how you turn it on. Need to hold it for some time. Also hit that notification bell icon so that you get notification when you when I upload any video. Thanks.